Good morning, my dear student. Most welcome again to the online classes of SPPS. In this video for 10th class, today I will tell you the summary of lesson number 1. Your lesson number 1 is a letter to God. एक पत्र ईश्वर के नाम. Now, the story I am going to tell you of this lesson. The story is about a farmer. एक किसान के बारे में है whose name is Lencho, who has sown crops in his field. Now his crop is ready to be harvested, but his crops needed only one thing, that is a downpour or at least a shower, so that his crop may ripe easily. But it was the time of evening. Lencho's elder sons were working in the farm and his younger son playing around the house. His wife was preparing meals for the family members के लिए भोजन तैयार कर रही थी. It was the time of evening. Suddenly, huge clouds on mountain began to form into the sky. When Lencho saw the wind was also changed, Lencho became very happy, and after some time, some drops of rain began to fall. Then Lencho addressed the drop that these are not raindrops falling from the sky. They are the new coins. Because when the rain will happen, then his crop will ripe easily and he will be able to feed his family members. And what happened, क्या होता है after some time, कुछ समय बाद the wind was changed into storm, हवा थी वो तूफान बदल जाती है, and rain was converted into hailstorm, ओलों बदल जाती है. The hailstorm rained in the whole valley for half an hour, एक आधे घंटे तक बरसते रहते हैं. And now Lencho's soul become very sad, उसकी आत्मा बहुत दुखी हो जाती है, because he thought his entire crop will be wasted, उसकी पूरी फसल नष्ट हो जाएगी. And when the hail stopped, Lencho along with his sons went to the field and saw that his field were covered as if they were covered with salt. Not a leaf on plants was left, एक पत्ती भी नहीं रह गई थी. His entire crops were destroyed. Now he became very sorry, वह बहुत दुखी हुआ. He thought that he had nothing to feed himself and his family. उसके पास कुछ नहीं था अपने आप को खाने के लिए, अपने परिवार खिलाने के लिए. He thought the whole night. Lencho had a firm faith in God. He did not want to ask help from any friends or relatives because he lived alone in a house situated in a low cliffs of a hill. एक पहाड़ी की ढलान के ऊपर स्थित था, वहाँ रहता था. The Lencho thought the whole night. In the morning he went to the post office. वह डाकखाने गया. There he brought some papers and ink and began to write a letter to God. In his letter he wrote that God, the hailstone has ruined all my crops. Now I have nothing to feed myself and my family. If you don't help me, me and my family will go angry the whole year. So I needed 100 pesos as soon as possible. And after writing the letter, he put it in an envelope and dropped into the mailbox. When the postmaster went to open the mailbox, जब postmaster mailbox खोलने के लिए गया, and he saw the letter which was addressed to God, he became very surprised, बहुत आश्चर्य, because in his whole life he did never see such types of address. इस प्रकार का पता कभी नहीं देखा था. And he brought the letter to the postmaster and saw it. When the postmaster saw, he also became very happy, बहुत खुश हो गया, and thought that what a faith of this man who has started correspondence with the God. If I had the faith of the man, I have also started corresponding with the God many years ago. बहुत सालों पहले कर देता. And after some time he became very serious and he thought to answer the letter. But when he opened the letter, जब उसने पत्र खोला, तो he found that to answer it he needed something more than goodwill paper or ink. He needed 100 pesos, which was a large amount for the whole year. And he requested his employee to give something because it was a deed of charity, पुण्य का कार्य था, and he collected money. He also gave a large part of his salary, thus he was able to collect more than half से ज़्यादा कर पाया था, and put the money into an envelope. When the next day Lencho came to the post office, the postman handed the envelope to Lencho, हवाले कर देता है, and when Lencho did not at least surprised to see the money, he went to his home, but he became angry when he counted the money. He found that 30 pesos less, so he again came to the post office and write another letter to God, in which he wrote, God, of the money which I have asked you, only 70 pesos has reached me. Please send me the rest of the money. He also gave a condition that don't send it through post, because the post office employees are a bunch of बेईमानक अच्छा होते हैं, उन्होंने उसके 30 पैसे खा लिए हैं. Now this was the summary of the lesson. Now as a homework I am giving some of the questions which you will try to give the answer of this question. जैसे कि what did Lencho hope for? What did Lencho hope? Lencho ने किसकी आशा की थी बात की? And your second question will be, how did the rain change? How did rain कैसे बदल गई थी? ओलो और तूफानों बदल गई थी. Changed क्या हुआ था? What happened to Lencho's fields? Lencho को खेतों को क्या हुआ था? What happened to Lencho's fields? These are the two questions as a homework which you will try to give their answers. That's all for this video. Thank you. How many